Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-40D, the Boiler Feed Clack Bypass Spindle Guide for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go. File, new, part MMGS. Okay, so we're going to start from the top view this time. Sketch. Going to start with the hexagonal, which is going to be 16. Done. It's going to be a thickness of 4. And done. Okay, so now we're going to do a curve up over. Looks like end of the bullet with a flat front. Like I can't think what they're called. But we're going to go front view, sketch. Actually, I'll exit sketch. Normal 2 first, sorry, then sketch. Come out a bit, there we go. Okay, so now we want curve, which is going to be, okay, where are we? Let's go to 3-point arc. 1, 2, 3. Let's just try that for a moment. Now this is going to be 13 from there. Oh, smart dimension. 13 from there to there. It's going to be 13. Move that a bit, thank you. That's going to be right. There we go. Oh, yeah. Parallel. Not parallel. Vertical. Let's just turn it off a moment. Actually, let me go. Smart dimension. This point to that point is going to be 6. But, oh, go there. Thank you. This point and that line, nope. That line and this one's going to be, if I do that, what's that do? Nope, wrong one. Okay, nope. We want this line here. This is what I want. And you want something there. This line and this line is going to be tangent. There we go. That looks good. Yep. Okay, so now we want a line here to there. Beautiful. Then we want to go mirror. That line and that line, beautiful, and mirror about there. Perfect. That's done. Now we can just go line here. I've got to put this line in, but that's fine. We can add this quite easily. And that closes in. There we go. That's looking good. Yep, looking good. Actually, hold on. That I think is wrong. That should be. Come on, go out there. Thank you. There's no real measurement across there. Let's down because there's 12 down there, but looking up. Let me just check something. I think that's going to be 5. It's actually less than 12. Doesn't line up, but it can't be 4 because there's a hole going through 4. So it's got to be 5. That's going to be 5 there. Bring that there, bring that in a bit. And then that's going to be... Oh, hold on. Whoa. Hold on. Just realised I made a mistake. That's overhanging. It shouldn't be overhanging. How do I do that? Just go out of that for a moment. Let me just exit out of that for a moment. Let's go front again. Ah, that's why. Okay, so this here, let me go on the sketch. Yeah. Well, I've done that. I was thinking it's ring. I've got hexagonal. So that one there, I got to delete. Actually, yeah, I'm going to delete that one. But what I'm going to do is put a line down there. Then I'll make that one and that one. That way it locks it in. But this here has to be 16. Come on, smart dimension. Oh, yeah, it's already locked in. Dang it. Okay, I'm going to start this again. I'm going to leave this in here, show the mistake I made. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to delete that. Nope. Yep. Delete it. Start again. Now I'm going to go front plane again. Oh, exit. Sorry. Sketch. There we go. Okay, so we're going to start. Put a center line in first. Center line in. Come on. Thank you. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That should be parallel. It is now. Cool. Okay, so we're going to start by a line. Just going to start here. I can always move it down. There. Okay. Try and make it curved. I've got how to do that. Let's see. There. There. And there. That'll do for there. So put this line across here to there. There we go. Oh. That's weird. Thank you. That's fine. So now this will be, I said 16, didn't I? Yes. I want that to be 8. This to be 5. That's going to be a raise of 16. Saw that. Okay, that works. Let's see now, from there to there will be 13. Yes, it is 13. Thank you. Now, this point and this point will be there. Beautiful. So now, I'm not mirroring it because I want to rotate it. Yeah, I shouldn't have mirrored before. Let me just bring that down there. There we go. And that's locked everything in. Excellent. That's good. That's now on there. Beautiful. Actually, that worked out good. Yep. Looks like good. Good, good. Hopefully. We'll soon find out. So now we want to go feature, evolve. Yes. And there it is. Perfect. Okay. We got that time. So yeah. So I shouldn't have done the edge of there. That's what bugged me up. And then okay. Then we look. We do normal layer. You can't see any overlaps of that circle, so that's good. So that worked out perfect. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to add a sketch to that. It's going to be a circle. 3. I clicked it. and that's going to be 12. Diameter 12, and that's going to extrude down by 6, and done. Now it's going to be a hole through. I'm going to do the hole first. Sketch on that surface, click it, way to unhighlight it, circle right there. It's going to be 8, diameter of 8, extrude cut, all through all, and done. There you go. That's good up there, perfect. Now we want to do a thread here. It's going to go the way. So let's click on that face. We're going to add a plane. That's 6. So that makes that 4. That way it's going to be 10. Actually, it doesn't matter because it's going to go up to the point. So that's right. Okay. Doesn't matter what measurement you have there when you're going up to a position. If you're measuring down, then that can make a difference. Okay, so that's done. Hole wizard thread. We're going to click on that circumference. Click on that one there and click on the piece there. And then we're going to go up to there. There we go. Now we want to, whoa. Okay. Yeah, I accidentally scrolled something to move down. What is that? 12, wasn't it? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I have to move down. I scroll over something, so you got to be careful on that. Okay, we got trim and trim. And through cut and done. Nope. Cut thread. There we go. And that one's done. It's up to there. Now, if I didn't do, let me show you something. If I didn't do there, see what happens. Actually, that's the same. No, see, you can see it going down. You can see it going in. See right there. Now, if I go back at feature, trim. Okay. Now you see that's not there anymore because the thread was going into it. You don't want that. Hide that. That's part 3-40D. Boiler Feed Clack Bypass single. That's part 3-40D. The Boiler Feed Clack Bypass spindle guide for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Always happy to hear from you guys and girls. Suggestions, or if I make a mistake, or the easier way, always happy to hear from you. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.